How to log in into DBS Mobile Banking App. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can log in into the DBS Mobile Banking App. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So the very first thing is you need to download the DBS Digital Banking App from Google Play Store or any of the app store that is available on your device. After that, simply hit the install and the application should be installed on your device. So what you're going to do next is simply tap on that app, and it will take a few seconds. It asks you to access the location. You may just tap on this while using the app, and here are two options of sign up for DigiBank and login. So if you already have an account, you may just simply tap on login. After that, you just need to enter your user ID and PIN, and if you don't remember it, you may just enter the forgot user ID or PIN and go on with the process and recover it. Or if you don't have an account, what you can do is simply tap on the sign up. After that, you can see the skip option at the top. You can select this I'm new to DBS or this, or you can continue with the process, and you should be able to sign up by filling up the form. After you have filled up the form, what you can do is simply get back, and when you install the device application again, you just need to simply log in and enter your credentials, banking credentials, and you should be easily able to log in into your digital bank very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.